The highway code teaches us to check our mirrors before carrying out any maneuver, and for good reason. We must be fully aware of our surroundings before we change the road position of our cars, particularly before changing lanes. The simple act of checking your mirrors requires no effort at all, only the conscious thought to do it, and the consequences of not checking your surroundings could be devastating. When merging into traffic, you should be hyper-aware of the traffic that is coming up behind you. For this driver to carry out such a dangerous maneuver on such a busy road, and to not fully check their surroundings, is breathtakingly negligent. Anytime we turn right, we should check our right-wing mirror to make sure no one is overtaking us, to prevent things like this happening. Like and subscribe for more driving tips.